Alright, I have a Arrow electric stapler ET2025. Takes round and flat crown staples, and you can use it as a nail gun. Right in the middle of a job I was doing, it stopped working, and you see in here part of the plunger stopped coming back, so that allows the solenoid to push the whatever metal piece it has in there that shoots staples out. So somehow a retention came loose, and something happened in there. So I'm gonna open it up, check it out, and see what we have. Looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws. They all look similar. One nut on the back here. Let's try this one first. It looks like we'll be able to move it. Hopefully this canister for the staples, the holder just slides out. Yep. Alright, moving on. That looks to be all of them here. So I'll go ahead and try to pry apart these pieces here. Try not to, past experience with my tools, I want to try not to just pop it open quickly. Everything will fly apart. Let's see what we got in here. I don't know if I guessed correctly. If I can just... Alright. Few circuit boardless attack. It looks like this is probably our problem right here. It looks like the this retention spring probably popped off this striker here. I don't know if that's a technical term, but that's what I'm calling it. Strikes the staples here. Looks like this solenoid is the plunger is adjustable. Solenoid pushes the plunger. So it looks like I'm supposed to keep tension on this here, right? Yes. Here we get this adjustable knob. Gives you two separate settings, full forward, so it gives you a speed that the striker is going to move at. It gives you a little bit more juice in the full back. Looks like. Okay. Let's take this out here. Play around with this, I believe. I have a problem though keeping that in place and then putting it back together. So what if we did this? What if we push all the way forward, setting? Yeah, that works a little bit better. And just make sure nothing. Look at the safety switch and trigger. Electronics all look just fine. I wonder if it's worth take a look at the back of that circuit board. Make sure all the contacts look. You know, I'm going to go ahead and give it a shot. Looks like that retention spring was the issue. Was my gut. Okay. Just real quick, just in case anybody wants to take it further apart, looks like just start removing individual pieces. We've got our safety switch there, got our trigger. Circuit board, we can remove one more screw in here to take the part of this grip off. That'll allow you to take a look at the back of the electrical board. I'm going to not do that here. Should be able to just reverse this process here. Here we have the top guide and the striker guide here. This is the guide for the staple holder, the canal that it goes in, the staples go into. Put those back. And we got, look at this, set of washers and an adjustable little cammed plastic piece, adjustable knob. Should just pop out here. And we've got our solenoid and plunger. Easy little setup, actually. Together. Sorry if I'm blocking what's going on. Look like this. These guide pieces on this, I'll call them the plunger, slipped into the hole and wasn't moving properly. So let's go ahead and get that back in. And I just keep it, I'm adjusting this knob to get it to the furthest forward setting for the plunger, just to try to keep this striker in place here. It wants to pop out if it's not full forward. Okay. Alright. Here we just have a simple switch, 3-pull, when it switches in its furthest position going down. Switch doesn't move. Move the safety up, obviously wouldn't pop out in normal operation, and this switch can operate properly. Alright, let's go ahead and put this back together. That should have fixed it. soon see. Alright, we'll get these in here. Get them in about halfway around, then finish them off. Sorry, I thought I was blocking there. Let's see. Okay, put it back together. Let's go and give this a test here. It's a little tighter than before. Maybe shouldn't have used electric vehicle to tighten down the screws down. Let's see here. Looks like we have full retention there. I keep saying retention. Full tension on the staplers. Safety switch still working. Trigger still working. I don't know if you can see in there, but it looks like that beveled edge is pushing the plunger forward and back for its full forward and full back settings. So I guess there's a bunch of middle settings if you really want it as well. So alright, let's plug this in and give it a shot. Full safety on, off. Looks like we're back. And that's it. Hope that helped you.